Oh, okay, so basically, the door is open. We left it open twice, okay? Twice. And we walked around to the other side of the car and it closes. So there's kind of a ghost, like we're haunted, we're probably gonna die. We're gonna catch it on camera. So it's gonna be okay.
Brave.
Abby's crying.
Yeah.
Are you really?
No, I'm crying.
Yes, she is.
Yo, oh my gosh, oh my god! What's that? It's so pretty. Quick stop at Wendy's because the kids are hungry.
Wow, I'm hungry. Sponsor me. I'm hungry, I'm broke, but I'm vibing. It's a good day.
That's true, that's a good day. Abby, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm hungry, but I'm vibing.
Good job, Abby.
Thank you, James.
Way to not get camera shot.
Guys, we finally made it. We're gonna try to get around this mountain. We were just skateboarding, but it's insanely pretty.
We're in Joshua Tree, but the south part because there's no Joshua trees. But James is peeing right now in a bush. I'm taking some film pictures. I'm a film photographer. And we're watching the sunset pan over.
So it's super hard to see right now because it's dark and I don't want to turn my flashlight. But right there, that little spot is Orion Nebula, which is pretty sick. It's kind of hard to photograph with the longer focal length, especially the 85. I can't do longer exposure, but it still shows up on camera, and we have the binoculars up too. And it's super sick.
Oh, fuck out of here!
Stop. Shush.
What?
It was just a door closing, listen. It just went like this.
Yeah, but what closed it?
Watch.
What closed it?
Guys,
It was fully open.
look, ready?
No, Andrew, it was fully open.
It was like locked open.
Andrew, it was like open.
Wait, are you for real?
It's like on it. No, but it was fully open.
And then like,
Thing though.
are you sure it was fully
It
open?
was fully
I'm
open.
positive.
He's gone, whoever it was. Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
basically, the door is open. We left it open twice, okay? Twice. And we walked around to the other side of the car and it closes. So there's kind of a ghost, like we're haunted, we're probably gonna die, but we're gonna catch it on camera. So it's gonna be okay.
Abby, how are you feeling?
Not so great.
Abby's crying.
Yeah.
Are you really?
No, but I'm crying.
Yes, she is.
All right, we're getting out. How are you feeling, Abby?
I'm feeling okay. TPH.
I don't know. Yo, oh my gosh, oh my god!
That was so creepy.
That was so creepy.
So
You gotta get out. You have to find your own way home. All right. Later.
No, the door!